students, let us discuss about the Chandragupta's achievement. Chandragupta Maurya was just a simple common boy from a tribal family called Mauryans, and after getting trained by Chanakya became the ruler of Pataliputra and Magadha. Gradually, he captured such a vast territory under his own capability and established the first empire of India. His territory stretched from Hindu Kush in the northwest to the Bengal in the east, from Himalaya in the north to the Narmada in the south. In this map, we can find this. From the Hindu Kush territory up to Bengal in the east, from Himalayas on the north up to Narmada Valley in the south. These brown color areas on the map showing the areas which were captured by Chandragupta Maurya within few years after he became the emperor. So you can understand by his immense talent of warriorship, commanding over soldiers, he captured these huge areas. But his most important war, it was against the Greek commander Seleucus in these regions for the capturing of northwestern frontier for this part, and he almost defeated Seleucus. That's why Seleucus had to sign a matrimonial alliance with Chandragupta Maurya. Seleucus married his daughter to Chandragupta, and Chandragupta made gift of 500 elephants to Greek general and got control of territory across river Indus. In the map just now you have seen the northwestern frontier. Establishment of important cities. Takshila and Ujjain became most important to cities and most important areas for provincial government. These two cities were important as the trade routes and trade location. Takshila was the gateway to northwest and central Asia. Ujjain was located on the trade route that connected North India to South India. So you can understand he had this ability to understand the importance of places and trade and to develop the economy of the country. Now within few years, within the 100 years of Chandragupta's foundation of Mauryan Empire, the other Mauryan kings made it more stronger, and these pink colored areas all over the Indian map, which was the ultimate area under the control of Mauryan empires. That's why we call Mauryans as the first empire of India, because they were the first dynasty who captured almost all the parts of India.